Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own homemade shampoo that is going to help you grow your hair longer, thicker, and most importantly fuller with consistent use. So we're going to be using this water. This is fenugreek and black seed water. I already showed you guys how to make this water in previous video. I'm just going to link up that video here above. The next thing we're going to be needing is black soap. Obviously black soap is very amazing. Then we're going to be needing some essential oils. This is tea tree, this is lavender, this is rosemary, and this is peppermint essential oil. These 4 essential oils are very good when it comes to hair growth, so you want to make sure you have them to incorporate into this shampoo, as it's going to help you treat your scalp, boost circulation to your scalp, and most importantly cure dandruff. So this is what the African black soap looks like. This one is the Ghanaian black soap. I love this. It is good, it's gentle on the skin, it's a gentle cleanser. It cleanses your hair very deeply without drying your hair out. So you definitely want to try this shampoo and let me know how it works for you. The next thing is vegetable glycerin. As you can see, this is very good as it's going to add some moisturizing effect to this shampoo and just help it overall not be drying to your hair, especially if you find black soap drying on your skin or on your hair. You definitely want to add glycerin. Now as you see, I'm just going to chop up a little piece of this black soap. I'm going to add it to my water. As I already told you guys, this is fenugreek and black seed water, and this water is very powerful when it comes to hair growth. You definitely want to find out how I make this water if you've not yet seen the recipe. This water helps to prevent shedding, it helps to regrow your edges, it helps to thicken your hair, and most importantly it helps to make your hair grow faster. So having this as part of the ingredients in our shampoo is definitely going to go a long way in boosting hair growth and getting you healthier, longer hair by the end of this maximum hair growth journey. That being said, if you don't yet know about my 5 months maximum hair growth journey, make sure to check this video right here as it explains everything the journey is all about, how to take part in the journey, and how to participate in the giveaway that is going to be happening at the end of this amazing journey. So make sure you join me here by subscribing. You click on the subscribe button and the notification button to be notified whenever I post new videos and updates on this challenge. So as you can see, I'm just adding another piece of soap to this water just to make it thicker and really concentrated. As you guys already know, this journey is going to be all about using only natural products. As you know, black soap is made from completely plant-based products and there is no chemical in black soap. So it's really a good alternative for our synthetic shampoos that we've been using. And yeah, this journey is basically just going to help you move towards the natural side and see how you can grow your hair even without store-bought products or synthetic products. So as you can see, I'm just shaking it to make sure that it mixes very well with the water. And then after the shaking process, I'm just going to add some hot water to it so that it can really help the soap mix and also just try to make it less thick. Since the fenugreek and black seed water is really thick, as you see, after adding the water, I'm going in with my essential oils. This is tea tree essential oil, which helps to cleanse your scalp of scalp infections like dandruff, itchy scalp, flaky scalp, and whatever scalp problems you have. Now this is lavender essential oil that I'm going to be adding, just trying to add a bit, as lavender essential oil is very powerful when it comes to boosting hair growth and making your hair grow faster. The next one we're going to add in is peppermint, as it increases blood circulation to the scalp and just overall brings nutrients from in to your scalp to nourish your hair follicles and encourage healthy, longer hair growth. Now I'm going to be adding rosemary essential oils, as it helps you regrow the thinning areas of your scalp or your edges. You definitely want to make sure that you add rosemary essential oils, as it's very good for this purpose. The next thing I'm going to be adding is vegetable glycerin. Just as I said, if you find black soap drying on your scalp or on your skin, you definitely want to add this vegetable glycerin to help you moisturize and make this shampoo less drying for your hair. I already said the reason why I want this shampoo to be very, very healthy and packed with nutrients is because during the washing process, we happen to massage our scalp a little more. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I use it and the best way to wash your hair in order to encourage blood flow and also boost hair growth. So you want to make sure that you watch this video to the end to see how I use this shampoo on my hair to boost hair growth. So I'm just going to be keeping that away and letting it melt completely, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like once it has started melting, or it has melted about 80%. So here is the oil once it has been sitting for about 6 hours. You can see it has really melted, though there's still a bit of lumps. I'm just going to shake it a little bit again. Here I'm done shaking it, and I'm just going to put it into my application bottle so I can apply it to my scalp and show you guys how good and soft this shampoo is. It is also packed with nutrients, as you guys have seen. So you want to make sure you use this to wash your scalp twice a week during this 5 months maximum hair growth journey. So you can store this up anywhere and let it sit for about 2 weeks maximum, since we're not putting any preservative in it. So you don't want to keep this for more than 2 weeks. So here it is. I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it to my scalp. Here I am on my wash day. I'm actually uploading a wash day video really soon, how I use all my natural products only. So you want to make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you are notified when that video is up, as you're going to see how I'm going to do my complete wash day only with homemade remedies. So there we go. That's my black soap. I actually had to transfer it back into my spray bottle because it's really easier to apply with a spray bottle. Here I am. My hair was dry and I've just wet it off camera, and here I am applying the shampoo to my scalp and massaging it in. You want to make sure you massage that shampoo into your scalp. You see how well it is foaming and lathering throughout my scalp. It's very, very good. It's gentle. It's not drying at all. You definitely want to try this out and tag me on Instagram with your own shampoo. Let me see how it's working for you. And yeah, so just watch and see how the shampoo is really, really moisturizing. It isn't drying my hair at all. I can even use it to detangle my hair, as you're seeing me split my hair. It just splits really easy, and I'm kind of just enjoying the process right now, so I'm just going to stop talking. So this is my hair. I've already sectioned it. It's still dry. I'm going to wet it off camera, and then we will just start applying the shampoo to it. So make sure that you section your hair as well, because it just makes washing really simple and easy. It's going to be difficult for you to really skip a spot on your scalp. So you're actually getting that shampoo in and massaging it throughout and cleansing every part of your scalp. As you can see me, I'm just applying it as needed and saturating my scalp with it. And here is how you're supposed to be washing your hair, guys. You wash from roots to ends. You don't actually wash from ends to roots, and you just pull the rest of the shampoo down the length of your hair. So you want to focus on your scalp. That is the part that actually needs the cleaning. So guys, this is the last part that I'm just twisting up, and I'm just going to wash it off camera, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So here is my hair after washing. As you can see, it's bouncy, it's moisturized, it doesn't feel dry. You can look at my scalp, how clean that is. Just look at that, yo. It's so clean, it's packed with nutrients, and we're ready for growth. Just look at how clean my scalp is, y'all. My curls are popping. That's just to tell you guys that this shampoo is really moisturizing, and you definitely want to try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.